You're a wonderful woman. He's lucky to have you.
Louise, you're removing hair from my feet as you say that.
So you have a physical quirk. Big deal. I tell you what, I fall in love with a man. His mind, period.
There's a limit.
No, period. End of sentence, end of paragraph, close the book, we're done. Give me a man with intellect, like my brother. I know he's average looking, but he's so smart, you know? I could care less about the packaging. You don't fuck the packaging.
Yeah, you do.
You fuck the mind, Lila. You fuck the mind, period. Close the book, end the sentence, close the whatever.
Hey, I have a really smart friend for you. He's an IQ of 170.
What's he look like?
Oh, he's gorgeous. He's sort of a midget.
Jesus, Lila. I'm not dating a fucking midget.
Are you Dr. Bronfman?
Yes.
Is that a little boy?
Well, no, Puff. This is a dwarf. I guess they prefer to be called little people, isn't that correct, my good man?
In actuality, I'd prefer to be called Dr. Edelstein.
Ah, yes. Well, Dr. Edelstein is a fully grown adult pup, believe it or not, who, due to a genetic anomaly...
Achondroplasia?
Who, due to achondroplasia, is actually a miniature human being.
Interesting.
Now, Dr. Edelstein, what is it we can do?
Well, for starters, you can find your way into that ludicrous lucite case. Not you. Not you.
Look, what is this about? We have no money on the premises. Please, if you're from some little person, or rather, a chondroplasic terrorist group, I want you to know I fully support your call.
I'm beginning to tire of you, Dr. Bronfman.
Surprise, dear heart?
This is Lila?
Yes, this is Lila. Cunt. American and proud of it. The hair's gone, Nathan. All taken care of. And I have muscles now. And I get looks every day in the street.
You're beautiful.
Do you want to touch me, Nathan, or what?
Yes.
Poor baby.
Thank you, Frank. You're the best.
Anything and everything for you, my dear?
You see, Frank and I both know what it is to be shunned because of our appearance.
The attempt to force human beings to despise themselves is what I call hell. Andre Malraux.
Amen.
Sorry. Parking's a bitch at this place.
Oh, there's an overflow lot across the street.
Yeah, I found it.
Just over on Tilton, you can't miss it. Right next to the VA hospital.
And we'd be happy to validate your stub.
Time up.
With pleasure. All right, Fifi, give me the hands. Come on.
Du temps que la nature en s'avère puissante, cultiver chaque jour des enfants monstrueux, je s'aimais vivre auprès d'une chambre géante. Comme au pied d'une liane en château.